Hello everyone. Now we are going to look into Standard 8 Chapter 2 Measurements. Exercise 2.2 Sum 1. First we are going to look into question number 1. The given sum is find the perimeter and area of the combined figure given below. Pi is equal to 22/7. This is the given combined figure and we have to find the perimeter and area of this combined figure. This is the combined figure given and we have to find the perimeter of this first. Here are the given measurements. Here this side length is given 10 meters and this length is given 7 meters. And here it is not given, but we can see it is opposite to this side. So it can be 10 meters. Now we don't know the length of this arc. So we have to find the length of this arc first, because we have to add all the given sides of the combined shape to find the perimeter of the given combined shape. If you draw a line here, this will be the diameter of this semicircle, and the diameter of the semicircle will be 7 meters. You can see the opposite side is equal. So to find the radius of this semicircle, we have to divide the diameter by 2, that is 7/2. So the radius of this semicircle is 7/2. Now we have to find the perimeter of this given shape. So to find the perimeter of the given shape, we have to add all the sides. So perimeter is equal to sum of all lengths of the sides that form the closed boundary. So let us find the length of the arc of the semicircle first. We know the formula how to find the length of the arc of the semicircle. It is theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. Theta is equal to 180 degrees because the central angle of the semicircle is 180 degrees. So it is 180 degrees by 360 degrees into 2 into 22/7 into 7/2. Now let us simplify. 180 ones are 180, 2s are is 360. 2 ones are and 2 ones are. Here 7 ones are and 7 ones are. 2 ones are, 2 11s are. So it is 11 meters. So the length of the arc of the semicircle is 11 meters. Now we have to add all the sides of this given combined shape. The sides are perimeter is equal to 10 plus 7 plus 10 plus 11 meters. So it is 38 meters. So the perimeter of this combined shape is 38 meters. Now let us find the area of this given combined shape. Here area, you can see here, this is the area of this given figure. And we have to find the area of this figure. We are going to find this portion's area, right? If you draw a line here, you can see this forms a rectangle. This forms a rectangle. So first we have to find the area of the rectangle. Then we have to find the area of this semicircle. Next what we should do, we have to subtract from the area of this rectangle. We have to subtract the area of the semicircle to get the area of this shaded portion. So the area of this combined shape is equal to area of the rectangle minus area of the semicircle. We know to find the area of the rectangle formula. It is L into B minus half into pi r square units. Now L is equal to 10 meters. This is the length of this rectangle and this is the breadth. So 10 into 7 minus half into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2. You can see this is the radius of this semicircle. Now let us simplify. 2 ones are, 2 11s are. 7 ones are 7 ones are. It is equal to 10 into 7 is 70 minus 11 into 7 is 77 by 2 into 2 is 4. Now let us subtract 70 minus 77 by 4. Here the LCM is 4. It is 280. 70 can be written as 70 by 1. So 1 fours are 4. So multiply 70 by 4. You will be getting 280 minus 4 ones are 4. So 177 into 1 is 77. Now subtract. It is equal to 203 by 4. So you have to divide 203 by 4. You will be getting 50.75 meters square approximately. This is the area of this given combined shape. Thank you.